In the broad sweep of the Atlantic Ocean, a story emerges. One of a decommissioned aircraft carrier, the Sao Paulo. Once a sentinel of Brazil's naval might, it now rests beneath the waves, intentionally scuttled by Brazil's navy. The lingering question, what to do with this vessel, has found its answer at the bottom of the ocean. But the Sao Paulo isn't just any ship. It's a vessel burdened with hazardous tons of asbestos. A mineral once deemed essential for its heat resistance and insulating properties, now a dangerous curse. Asbestos fibers, when airborne and inhaled, can cause serious health issues such as lung cancer, mesothelioma, and asbestosis. Thus, the Sao Paulo became an unwanted guest, rejected by ports near and far, even those in its homeland. The jettisoning of the Sao Paulo has churned not just the waters of the Atlantic, but also public sentiment. Environmentalists have sounded the alarm, denouncing the act as a potentially state-endorsed environmental crime. An epic of a ship's journey concludes, paving the way for a robust debate. This is more than just a tale of an aircraft carrier. It's a narrative of the environment, of choices made and consequences confronted.